Hi, I'm the girl who folded 3,000 paper cranes from teabags. And today I would like to give you guys a tutorial so you can make them yourselves. The only thing you'll need is your favorite tea, or whichever bag you find prettiest, and optionally a mug to make your tea in while you fold. If you want the optional step, first take your mug, then take your tea bag, rip it open, take out the bag, and make your tea. Then next up, take the empty bag, you will rip it open like this. If it doesn't work like that, sometimes cut off the sides, that'll work as well. So you'll be left with this, and then you fold it into a triangle at whichever end you want. You can get 2 paper cranes out of 1 tea bag, and it should look something like this. Then you fold it over again on the edge that you just folded, and do it really sharply so you can rip it off. You can also just cut it if you don't have nails, which is fine as well, but this works completely fine for me. And then you should be left with this. If you want to make 2, you can repeat the step and just make another triangle and then rip off the top again. Let's start folding. I'll switch POVs for you guys. Alright, grab the bag you just folded and fold it again, but the other way, so you get a cross in the middle. Then fold it back and fold it over horizontally. Then open it and do it the other way as well. So you'll be left with this. Then this fold is kind of difficult. You'd fold in the sides, just like this, so you end up with this shape. I'll do it again for you guys. So you have this, and then you fold in the sides until you're left with this. Next up, look at the part that's open at the bottom, and then fold the corners until halfway. Just like this on both sides. And then fold the top part backwards. This is also kind of a hard step. You fold out the part that you just folded and stretch it until it's backwards like this. Then we flip it and do the same thing on the other side. So fold this part back up, then fold the corners to the middle. And the same step, so you open it up and you pull it backwards and then you flatten it until you are left with this. Then we'll fold in the corners, but only until about halfway, just to thin the end a little bit. And we do this on both sides. So it should look something like this. This is also kind of a more difficult step. You fold up one of these pieces, press it down real good, fold it back down, twist it to the side, open it up, and then flip it up and close it again. So that you're left with this. And I just repeat that on the other side. So you fold it up, press it down, fold it back to the side, flip it up, and there you go. Now it's starting to look like the real thing. So you just make a head on whichever side you want by folding down the corner. Then you fold down the wings, and then that's it. That's your paper crane. And that's how I did it about 3,000 times. Time to add it to the stash. And then last step, drink your tea. Let me know if you followed the tutorial. I would love to see the end results. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!